Hi, this is Bob from Cruising with Big Bob. Hope you're doing well and hope you're enjoying this series of videos on Iona. P&O's was the flagship. Has Arvia taken over? I'm not sure, but we love Iona. And this video is just a few tips and tricks that may help you if you have a cruise on Iona. Particularly, we were in an inside cabin, and just a few things that we thought helped us on our cruise. Only a few things. Hope this helps you, and if it does, then give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Okay, some tips and tricks for your cabin, particularly if you're in an inside cabin. Before we came on Iona, we checked 5 different YouTube vlogs for inside cabins because we wanted to know how many plugs and what type of plug sockets there were. We have been on Iona before, we think we remembered, and we were nearly right. But just so that you know, it's a British cruise line. So you get 2 English plug sockets, plus for the kettle there is a European socket next to it. So you can always bring, as we do, one of these adapters with the right pins which fit nicely into the European socket, as does the kettle. So here you have 2 English, 1 European socket. We thought that was it. We thought that's what we remembered, but we were wrong. Because lo and behold, in the corner here, only on one side of the bed, there is a further English socket. I won't unplug that because we did take the advice from Emma of Emma Cruises about getting one of these night light type things which wakes you up with 10 minutes of like ambient light and then a sound. So on that side there are no plug sockets. So socket wise you have 3 English and 1 European. We always bring one of these USB adapters. This one takes 3 USB. But as well as that, on either side of the bed you have these light fittings which, as you'll see, has a USB socket underneath. That's one either side of the bed. They're not the fastest, they're not fast charging, but you can leave your phone in overnight and charge there. So plenty of plug sockets. Another tip that we have, as you'll see here, and we found this from somebody else on YouTube, are these magnets. The walls are all metal. These are supposed to take 22 pounds weight. I'm not sure I would like to try that, but we bought these. We bought a pack of 10. I think we got them from Amazon, and they were really good value, and I use it there for a little headlight if I need to get a light in the evening. And over on the other side here, my wife has got 3 of these, again used for hanging up any extras. And also in the bathroom we do the same, having one of these in here and hang up the toilet bag. Very, very useful if you're short of a little bit of a hanging space. I wouldn't put too much weight on it, but they're very, very good. Another thing on Iona, we like the showers. It's got a proper shower door, which is great. My wife likes some conditioner. You get the gel and the shampoo. But if you want conditioner, you can ask for it, as also you can ask for some body lotion. They will get that for you if it's missing when you come in the cabin. That's just a few little tips. One thing that was said on a vlog that I looked at before we came on here, and actually, funny enough, the vlog was at exactly the same cabin that we are in. And somebody said when they first got on, they thought it's a small cabin. And a lot of people say there are no shelves. Sorry, not shelves. A lot of people say there are no drawers. That is true, there are no drawers. But you've got 3 shelves either side of the bed. You've got more shelves in a cupboard there. You've got your fridge there. You've got more shelves in a cupboard there, 2 shelves. You've got some little shelves on the side here. And of course, plenty of shelves in the wardrobe. So, do we find that we're missing having drawers? Not at all. So that's just a few little tips to help you. You don't have to bring loads and loads and loads of adapters. I've heard somebody only told us a couple of days ago they brought a bag full of adapters because they didn't know what the plugs were. Well, now you know. 3 English, 1 European. You've got 2 USBs. I would suggest that's easily enough. Hope this helps when you're taking a cabin on Iona.